Hey Andrew, this is James out of Burton Chevrolet in Orfordville. My colleague Brittany let me know that you are you're interested in our new trade-in, a Trail Boss. Carfax clean, no reported accidents, one owner. Got just under 27,000 miles. This is the hottest truck. You just cannot get Trail Bosses. It's got the WeatherTech throughout. No rips or tears. It's the LT, not the custom, so it's loaded up nice. Again, this is the driver's seat. No discolorations. I'd love to have you come out and take a look at it. You can give my cell a call, 608-921-8001. Again, it's James Lee. You can reach out to Brittany by the web, and she can set it up too. Even though it's a 19, it came with a 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper. Because it's certified used, it gets bumped to 4 years 48,000 from its original date of purchase. So you're still going to we have to get the original date, but there should be 2 full years of warranty left. And then the 6 year 60 Powertrain gets to push to 6 years 100,000. So that means your transmission and our motor are going to be covered through 2025. So please call with questions. Have a great day.